Second part of home task about generics. So let's start from the first. I need to implement class storage, parameterized class. And what's the problem here? No, actually. No, I don't need. Okay, can I name it new storage? Because I already have, and it looks like a conflict. Storage, and it will store parameterized. Rename file, okay. No, let's because when I create, actually that's why I just deleted main method, because why? Actually it doesn't matter. I just wanted to say that when we create generic class, we can't apply. Actually, we can't have static generic variables here. So generic concept, when we use it for class, only applies to instances of classes. So it doesn't work with statics. So I need to create a class. I did it. And which store element. So let's make element item here of parameterized. And I think also we need to create getter and setter. Right, so let's just generate a getter. Actually, I don't need a setter. But let's actually in this variant we have a class and we have a getter, but we can't put something inside. So I would rather create a setter to put, or create non-default constructor and put item into the new storage while creating new storage. So let's make it by a setter. Okay. Actually it's incorrect. Yes, let's rename, refactor, rename. Yes, and file as well. So new storage, storage as in storage, and let's specify type. So let's say it will be string for now. New storage, and let's add new string storage, set item, set item, and let's get it. And let's print it. Storage, get item. Public. No. Actually, it looks like it's kind of conflict. Okay, let's remove it and let's run it again, and I think we will. No, we won't get any exception here. Okay, so it worked, and actually let me create. It's enough here, so we can create it for integers and for books and for whatever we want. And second, I need to create generic method print list, which takes any list and print out its element. Okay, let's create a list printer. Printer class. And oh, no, it's just class. So because I don't need to make class generic, I only need to make generic method, so I can use statics here. Private static no, actually I even don't need to create a list here. Private static void. What is the task? Void print list. Print list. List. I think I yeah. Static G. Yes, I need to specify that it's generic. Use it? Yes, it's generic method. So yes, argument is generic, and so the method also generic. For T list list element. No, I don't know why I always messed up which one should be first, list or elements. Element. Okay, let's create a list of integer, new list, and as a new array list, and let's add some elements. 1, 2, 3. Oops. sorry, new list 2, 3 and 1, and let's print list, new list 2, 3, 1. It's all here, and next is number box. Okay, let's start from creating a class. Number box. For t extends number, so for all numbers like integer, double, float, byte, long, and all this. So it should store numbers. So private t number number private t number 1. Let's say it stores 2 numbers. Actually, while I stopped now, because I also already solved this task, and I googled a lot and asked ChatGPT as well, of course, and the problem is even all these number types, I mean integer, double and other, are children of number. Arithmetical operations are not allowed for generics because just because we need so of course I can write this method, but it will be something like a spaghetti code because compiler don't allow to perform arithmetic methods when it doesn't know exact type of the number. So I mean the correct code here for this method looks like first I need to check what kind of numbers is this. So if I was going to write it, I was probably use condition like number, the instance of integer or so on, and in accordance with this I would perform I would summarize, and also but the most common actually way is to represent all numbers no matter no matter which type we decided to use instead of t, and to represent them as doubles, and so return result also as double. So let's create a method. I got t double sum of numbers, and we have t number here and t number 2, and so not double or double. Okay, let's make it double. Double sum number as double double value double I don't remember exact syntaxes. Value of number. Still not sure. Actually, I'm sorry, but let me take a look. It was a number box here. Double result, number 1 double value, yes. Okay, double and number per double value, yes. What's wrong here? T double result, number 1 double value, number double value, plus per 2 double value. Actually, I still can't understand what's wrong here. Yes, because actually I need to create an object here, right? Correct, public number box number 2 t and t, yes, and this number and this number 2 as number 2. Still doesn't work, but okay. Private of numbers. Return return some. So is it? Looks like yes. Let's test it. So let's create number box as a new number box, and I forgot to throw a type integer here. Yes, 1 and 3, and so, and let's check a sum. Let's print it out. What's wrong here? One more bracket. Okay, so it's 4, and let's make it double, 1 and 3, and 3 and 2. It's good, and let's try to make it string, and it won't work. Okay, and the next one is I need to create a bounded method which accept list extend number and calculate amount of element. Actually it looks like absolutely the same, but almost the same. But I need a method. Can I use some previously created? Okay, let's let's create a it's wrong, generic. Let's create new class. So generic method sum. Okay, it will be modded, but no. Refactor, rename, generic method. Great. And our task. So I don't need to create an object here. So I can private t void sum of element, and it takes a list wildcard extends numbers, and let's add a name for this list, and also let's import it. So extends number, actually here we go again. Let's say that we are going to calculate sum in double, so double sum, and let's assign it sum of element. Okay, so for G, okay, element of a list. List. No, let's first initialize it as null, as 0, 0, D. Looks like I'm struggling with a syntaxis here. Okay, I'll Google it a little bit later. Sum plus element how it was double value. No. Okay, let me stop for a while.